This is the Bluetooth wireless headset by Bengoo. When it arrives, it is in this box. The front flap opens to where you can actually view the headset itself. Makes for a very nice presentation as a gift. Included with the headset is a charging cable and very easy to follow directions. I was able to set the Bluetooth up within minutes. The headset itself is a harder plastic on the bottom, and the top is almost a rubbery type material, but it is very flexible, that is able to move around. The earbuds are magnetic. That's how they retract back. You basically get it anywhere in the vicinity and it retracts back inside. Makes putting it away quite simple. All the controls are on the bottom part of the headset. On this side you have the skip track or go to the previous track. You also have the play and pause. On this side you have volume up or down, and you also have answer calls. The charging charges from here. You turn it on right here. The light to let you know is right here. It will blink blue when it is connected for Bluetooth, like that, or it'll blink blue and red when it's off. The microphone is right here. The microphone is actually quite good. I tested these talking to various people over a few days, and each one said they could hear me perfectly clearly. They are noise reduction. When you place them at a medium volume, you can hear some things outside, but if you listen to music very loud like I do, you won't hear anything. There are basically, I absolutely love these headphones. They're so simple, very easy to use, and very lightweight. I place these on my neck and honestly forget that I'm using them all day. The Bluetooth capability on this is very good as well. I was able to go behind walls, go all the way to my mailbox, and I didn't have any kind of distortion until I got to my mailbox. I also didn't have any feedback or any kind of distortion when I went behind the walls. So overall, this is a great product, especially for this price, and I would recommend it. Thank you.